Hey guys, welcome to Chemistry Fun. Today's topic is the periodic table, which is, by the way, the best sheet you can have on an exam. So we're going to take a look at everything that happens in this periodic table and describe what tricks you can have to remember this periodic table. So basically, the first column is the alkali metals. This is the first family. This is a row, and this is called a column. The second one is alkaline earth metals. And then after that, you will call them group 3B, group 4B, group 5B, 6B, 7B, and so on, up until 7A. Or you could also call them, as this one is called, the oxygen family, or the nitrogen family, or the carbon family, or the boron family, and so on. So this is called halogens, and this last one is called noble gas, and it's what every element wants to achieve. It wants to be like the noble gas. So for example, sodium wants to be like neon, and when it's an ion, when it's sodium plus, it becomes like neon because it has 10 electrons instead of 11. So that's basically the only point in life for elements, are to become just like the noble gases. Now, the periodic table is divided in basically 3 sections. This section over here, on the left side of this staircase, it looks like a staircase, so we're going to call it a staircase. On the left side of the staircase are metals. And on the right side are non-metals. And in the middle, we call them metalloids. So basically, they have properties that are similar, all of them, in their categories. There are 2 atoms in the entire periodic table that are liquid, which are bromine and mercury. There are a few atoms that have the same charge all the time, and then there are some atoms that have a different charge from time to time. So the ones that are the same are aluminum, zinc, cadmium, and silver. And basically, as you can see right here, I wrote the charges. So aluminum is always 3 plus, silver is always plus, zinc is always 2 plus, cadmium is 2 plus, and this is a polyatomic ion that we're going to discuss in another video, and this is called ammonium, and it's always plus. So that's my trick for those ones. Now, the atoms that have more than one charge, I've counted 8, but there might be more. So there's chromium, there's iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, tin, mercury, and lead. So basically, these are the atoms that have more than one charge, and this would be useful to know when you want to name compounds. And that we're going to discuss in another upcoming video. And then there are the diatomic atoms, which are basically atoms that do not exist alone on Earth. So they're always paired up. So my trick for you is, I have no bright or clever friends. For you to remember, I have no bright or clever friends. I is for iodine, which is always 2. H is for hydrogen, N is for nitrogen, Br is for bromine, O is for oxygen, Cl is for chlorine, and F is for fluorine. So these are my trick for the periodic table. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you understand something of what I'm saying. Click the like button, subscribe, and see you on the next video.